Hello everyone, welcome to another I guess I haven't really been calling them Pablos, but I'm picking orders on camera essentially. Got a lot of orders over the past, week or so now. And we got a ton of orders. I'm gonna pack, I think 5 or 6 of them on camera you guys requested. Let's just get straight into it. All right, so first, before I pack anything, I want to give a shout out to Shipyard Bricks, who has a BrickLink store, but he purchased 200 of those 2x6 blue bricks. We had 230 of them. I was like, hey, I think it was a stream. I was like, hey, you guys, if anyone wants blue bricks, I'll give you guys an extra 10% off. So gave him 10% off more. He requested an invoice and ended up getting that, as well as some of the Easter Bunny poly bags. Got a few of those. So I'm going to pack these up now. I'm not going to count these on camera. I'm not going to count 200 bricks out. But yeah, thank you to Shipyard Bricks, who purchased a lot of our blue bricks. So right now I'm currently packing an order for Doug, and Doug is one of our patrons on Patreon. If you don't know, we have a Patreon. If you enjoy the channel and you want to help support it a little bit, $4.73 and 2 of those. And Doug has been he's been on there for a while, since the beginning, and he's also very active in our Discord. I feel like it's not the right $4.73. That's up here. Very active in our Discord. We also have a Discord, so if you didn't know that, you can come check that out. And this is Doug's purchase so far. I'm going to continue packing this. He said it doesn't need to be packed on camera. Just if we could do a little recap at the end, that's what we'll do. So I'm going to keep packing this, but as far as I can tell, mostly little printed tiles and pieces and stuff. So I'm going to finish packing this up, and I'll show you what Doug's order looks like at the end of this. So if you look here in some of our trays real quick, you can see this one's almost pretty much empty. There's very few slots that are kind of filled up there. That one at the top is still kind of filled up, but we can consolidate those because Doug bought so many printed pieces, printed tiles, mostly printed tiles, I guess, and little accessories and minifig accessories. You can see them all here. Tons of printed tiles, a little canoe or kayak, not canoe, and a little R2-D2, as well as some purple tiles, some dogs, some food, hot dogs, fish, all these little 1x1 tile. I mean, really cool little pieces here that Doug purchased. So thank you so much, Doug, for your order. Really appreciate it. I'm going to get this boxed up and shipped out to you today, which you won't see this video yet, but yeah, it's going to be shipped out before you see this video. All right, let's get to the next order. Guess what we get to do? We get to pack some more blue bricks. So I haven't packed Shipyard's order yet. I'll do that at the end instead of waste my time with the GoPro on my head, because it's kind of uncomfortable. But JustBrick's placed a couple orders with our store, or one order and then placed another order. He also got 4 blue bricks, blue 2x6 bricks. So here's your 4 blue 2x6 bricks for JustBricks. Ben, so thank you so much. Ben also has a YouTube channel, and I'll link that down below in the description. Also ordered 4 instruction sheets. These are for some old sets. Alien Encounter, set 1195. I'll open this up a little bit. Pretty cool set. This was one of the first new sets I purchased when I started my BrickLink store years ago. This was probably a 2017, maybe 2016 purchase, and we got, I think, 90 of those instruction booklets, or probably, maybe it was like 80. And slowly, over time, you can see there's 65 left. They're selling. We sold one of these the other day as well. These instructions, for whatever reason, kind of sell. I still don't know if it's worth it. So you can see this one ended up being free. It didn't actually cost any money, which is okay because it's essentially throwing them in the order. But what do you guys do for instructions? Please let us know in the description or the comments below what you guys do for instructions, because, all right, 382, we're going to get 1 dog, because I don't really know how we should continue going about our instructions. If you're kind of new to the channel, where'd my tray go? Let me get a tray real quick. Hold on. All right, just kidding. I have 1 tray, but it's holding Doug's order at the moment, and I'm just going to leave that there so I can pack it up later. But whatever. No tray, I guess, for you, JustBricks. I apologize. But yeah, what do you guys do for your instructions? Because we sell them for 1 cent. All right, $7.97. We got 2 of those yellow heads. We sell ours for 1 cent. $7.97's up here. And for the most part, that 1 cent, I don't know that it really helps. Yeah, I really need a tray. Because I don't know, are we losing money? We're not losing money on it, I don't think, but we are not making money, So I don't know if it's worth, filling up, in this case, a whole bin. This is all instructions. It's like 4 different instructions in there, but is it worth filling up the bin, or should we just recycle them or donate them, or what should we do? I don't know. What do you guys do with your instructions? $9.75, we need 10 of those 1x3 turquoise bricks. What did I say, $9.75? I don't know. We've discussed it a little bit, but we haven't truly chosen the best way to do it. What we do now, again, like I said, just they're sold for 1 cent, and they occasionally sell, but they're starting to take up a lot of room, and that's the issue. That is 510, yeah. So with them taking up so much room, we could use these bins for other things, like more 2x6 blue bricks. But we don't at the moment. 1510, we need 4 of those bright light orange minifig heads in 1510. So like I said, JustBrick's actually had 2 orders. What did I say, 1510? So that's down here somewhere. Here it is. How many of those? 4 of them, all of them. JustBrick's had 2 orders, so this is his first order, which is relatively short, relatively simple. So just got a few more things down here, and then this is his second order, which are eyeballs. It was some sort of stream, we were talking about eyeballs, and he ended up placing a second part of the order. That doesn't go there, it goes here. And again, these are a little section of needs to be consolidated later, but we'll do that after we pack all the orders so that they don't change numbers. All right, 1880, we need 10 of those 1x4 dark turquoise bricks in 1880, which I think is up here. Oh, no, it's not, it's over here. 1880, 10 of these. I wonder if that's all of them. Let's see, it is not. There are 7 left, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alrighty. As a reminder, if you guys want your order packed on camera, you can do that. You can request it. Just please request it in the message section as you're checking out. So then what it'll do for us when we're picking an order, it'll leave a message down here on the page where I can see your address and stuff. But I don't want to show everyone's address off. But yeah, leave a message and we'll pack it on camera for you. Just expect a delay. It won't get shipped out next day or same day like most of the orders do. It will sit in our queue for a little while because I'm not shooting these constantly. 1921, we need 1 of those medium lavender minifig heads. What is this, 1880? So 1920, I think is what I said. Nope, not 1920. Let's see what it was. It was 1921. That was close. 1 of these lavender heads. Just one of these little dudes. Alrighty, what else we got here? We got 4 plain of these dark bluish gray heads, which is in 2597 over here. So I'm thinking, I don't know, I guess, what did I say? 2597, I think. I'm starting to go a little bit more along the route of just saying what's in the orders. Like saying, okay, here's, the, what am I saying? I guess like showing you guys the pieces in the orders and stuff, as opposed to talking while I just pack an order quietly. I'm kind of trying to show more what other people are ordering. I don't know if people like that. So 1 of these fish pieces in our tray 1 fish, and then 1 bright pink minifig head in tray 2. So that's kind of what I'm doing, where I'm like, okay, it's this item in this place, and we're going to bag it up blank, and then I go to the next item. So this is part 1 of his order. So we'll close that tab, and then we'll go to this one. Ordered some eyes, finally. We never sell these eyes. I don't know if you guys have eyes in your inventory and they sell, but ours do not at all. So we got these little white tile eyes here, 207. There's actually 4 eyes in our inventory that really never sell. What did I say, 207? And this is one of them. So terrible, got some fuzz on there. Terrible little bowl of eyes or bin of eyes. 50 of those though. You can see we still have 447 of them left, which is kind of crazy. And then we got some of these here. I'm going to pack everything first besides the 50, and then I'll count the 50 right at the end so you guys don't have to watch me do that. So we can start from the bottom on this one, which will be kind of fun. 1967, we got these eyes, so only 9 of those. 1967, and those sell for 5 cents each, as opposed to like 1 cent each. 1967, what did I say, 1957? Wait, 19, that's not 19s over there. All right, I think I said 1967. I did say 1967. That just take up a whole drawer. Not worth it whatsoever. All right, so we'll pour these out. Make sure there's 8 of them real quick. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh, there are 9. Okay, cool. 9 in the order. I really should have had my little tray here. I don't know what happened. Alrighty, there we go. But we got a couple empty drawers here. In my last video, someone pointed out that I actually said first empty drawer of the day twice. But third empty drawer of the day. A couple of them were from Doug's order. All right, 1679. 10 of these yellowish green tile eyes. 10 in 1679, which is right here. 10 of these. This also does not warrant a whole drawer. Kind of wastes a lot of space there. So occasionally, if we don't have time during the day, what we really try to do is when we are packing up, or when we're 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorry, I'm trying to count and talk. When we're going through for the day, so there's 10 of those. Really want to make sure these all get packed in the bag properly. I got to double check all these counts. Like I said, we always put this over here. Now, certain days, if we do not have time to consolidate over here, instead of leaving it for like 2 or 3 days, because then it piles up and then it gets hard to find pieces if it's not on the wall, and then it's like, oh, well, maybe it's on the in the pile, and then you dig through the pile, and then you knock them over, and then you spill your drawers, and it's a whole mess. So what we sometimes do, or occasionally, these Acro Mills drawers, the bottom here, this little bump where the mold is, it has like string or plastic hanging off of it, kind of like a hot glue gun, and it's kind of frustrating at times. I forgot my 1329. We need 4 of the brown eyes. 1329. Get 4 of those guys. Sometimes we'll just put the drawers away. That's all of them in here. So like sometimes I'll just take out the divider if I really don't have time, and then I'll just put the whole drawer away. But it is really a waste of space. So that's why like occasionally we'll pull out a drawer and we'll find, oh no, I just put that drawer back. What was it? 1679, I think. 1679. So like this one definitely needs to be consolidated with some other drawer because it's too small here, or there's not enough in there. So eventually these will get consolidated together at the end of today once all of our orders are packed. There we go. All right, so this is JustBrick's order. Obviously I have to count 50 of these eyes out, but 4 instruction booklets, 4 blue 2x6 bricks, as well as some little eyes, lots of eyes actually, and a little dog and a fish and some blank minifig heads and some dark turquoise bricks as well. So thank you so much, JustBricks, for your order. I'm going to pack this up. Again, if you guys haven't checked out JustBrick's channel, I'm going to put a link in the description below. He does some BrickLink stuff as well. All right, I want to give one more little shout out here to Kyle Jensen, who is starting a BrickLink store. Needed some positive feedback, so he chose to order from us. So thank you, Kyle. Kyle got these 2 minifigs here, the fox costume and the spider suit, and pretty cool minifigs. But this is going to go out to you right now. It probably will arrive again before you see this video, but good luck on your BrickLink store, and congratulations for wanting to open one. And of course, thank you for watching the channel. Alrighty, and the next order here is from John. And John said, thanks guys, love the channel. Wondering if you could pack this on camera, and yes, I'll pack it on camera, of course. Got some of these 2x3 tan bricks. Now, I don't know what happened here, but we've mixed brown and tan, and I think this was my decision. Terrible decision, because now they're just going to be all mixed up, and when we have to separate these lots out, it's terrible. But I got the 20 for John, and now we need some of these tan 1x1 bricks in drawer 15. There should be 16 of those in drawer 15. Let's make sure there's 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 of those. Perfect. And what I might start doing is just something like this. Sometimes I'll do this. I'll lay out drawers, and then as I get more, like let's say 1x1 bricks, I'll put them in there. This is a medium order, I suppose, but you know, I can kind of separate them out here and lay some more drawers out like this and kind of sort as I go, to bag them kind of by family and by type, so that we're not scratching tiles and stuff. So 152, we need 10 of those. So 152, 10 of these, and we should have 4 of these left. So let's make sure we get 10, 2, 4, 10, and then yeah, we have 4 left, which is perfect. 152. Okay, and then got some of these little reddish brown flower pieces. So 343, we should have 22 of those. 343 is right here. Hopefully there are 22 in here. Does not look like it, actually. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 122. Okay. We did have 22 there. Didn't look like it to me, but another drawer for consolidation. So today we have like 30 orders to pack from past weekend. So that's going to be a big stack at the end of this. We just had our Labor Day sale. Today is Monday that I'm shooting this. So yeah, it's going to be a long day of packing orders. So 621, we have 4 of those dark bluish gray tiles that are round. What did I just say? 621. So please let me know, like I said earlier, if you're still watching. 621, what did I say? 4 of these. 2, 4. If this is what you want to see, if you want to see it like this, where I'm just saying this is the piece, or if you'd prefer there's some discussion. If you prefer there's discussion, I need to come up with what discussion we're going to have. 789, 21 of those. 789 down here. Nope, 789 is up here. But at least I'm happy that the GoPro is, everyone likes the GoPro, which is good. So that was something I was thinking about for a long time. Bought the head mount thing, and then never ended up doing it. That's 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 1 is 21. So yeah, I had the head mount thing for quite a while, and then I just kind of sat it aside, and for weeks I just continued to pack on camera with my phone. But this is much better for me. I can, obviously have 2 hands doing things. 812, we need 2 of those in drawer 812. But now I'm not sure what to talk about anymore, because I feel like we do the videos a week, 2 of these, yep. Yeah, so we do the normal videos we have every week, and then on top of that, I'm supposed to come up with things to talk about for this. I don't know what to talk about. It's a lot to talk about when I'm trying to count and stuff. But if you guys do place an order and you give me a topic to talk about, something that can go on for a little while, that's much better. 851, we have 3 of those little keypad things in 851, I think is what I said. Yep. How many? 3 of these little keypads. 1, 2, 3. So if you look, I'll show you in 1 second, sorry. Down here, you can see we have these tiles. So this is kind of my tile/smooth thing. This is my smaller bricks. These are larger bricks, obviously. And, tiles I try to put together so they don't scratch each other, hopefully, or they don't get scratched on bricks. So 885, we have 8 of those dark bluish gray 2x3 tiles. 885. I'm going to say 8 of them. Yep, so 2, 3, 4, and 7, 8. So I guess I'm splitting up larger tiles. We'll see how this all gets bagged at the end, but I think it's actually easier. And Pop's Block Shop has a tray, and it has little cups in it, and that's something I'm thinking of getting. I've been saying that for a long time, actually. Makes it much easier to just pour the cup into the bag as opposed to do all this stuff. 1313, we got 40 of those dark tan bricks. What did I say? 1313, I believe. So 1313 here, 40 of these, and it should be all of these. So real quick, let me count, see if there are 40 of these. All right, so there are 40 of those, so we'll leave those in there. And then we got 28 of these in 1334, those bright light yellow. 1343. 20 of those. 13. I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue what number I just said. 1343. Okay. Kind of zoned out there a little bit. I was looking at the drawers. I was looking for yellow is what was actually happening. I wasn't really looking for specifically a part. Oh, 28. That's why I got confused. Okay. 2, 4, 6. All right, I'm going to finish packing up this order real quick. I'll show you a few of them. I guess I could show you right here what else is in them. So mostly you can see some more tiles, some printed pieces, and then a couple more of these slopes down here at the end. But again, this is John's order. Thank you so much, John. I'm going to bag this up and get this out to you today. And it might get to you before the order or the video comes out. So thank you, John. And we have one more order to pack after this. And I think I might do a time lapse for it, just so there's something for you to watch instead of me just skip it all around. But thank you again, John. Let's get into our next order. All right, so I got the GoPro mount off, which is awesome. It's much more comfortable now without that on. But I'm going to pack this last order here for Alex, who says, thank you. Can you pack the order on video if it lines up with your filming schedule? If not, all good. It kind of did. It was pretty close. But anyway, Alex started out his order, and I want to kind of give a little bit about this this piece here. This is a 1x1 by 2/3, no studs, light bluish gray, curved top piece. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but that is what this is. And he ordered 60 of them. And if you guys need any of these, we have a few. We have 4,272 of them left. So come on and get them in our store if you need them. But I'm going to pack this order. He had 52 of those, or 60 of those. They're in bin 52. This is how many we have. They go in a bin. Like, this is crazy. So many of these pieces. So many pieces. But I'm going to count out 60 of these, and then we'll do a time lapse for this. So hopefully this is enjoyable. Again, thank you, Alex, for your order. I'll kind of show it off at the end here, but I'm going to count out 60 of these little 1x1 by 2/3 no slope, or curved slope, studs, no studs, light bluish gray bricks. And here's Alex's order, all getting ready to be bagged up now. So you can see a lot of dark orange and stuff, and quite a few bricks. So thank you again, Alex, for your order. This is going to Canada. So it's going a little bit north. And yeah, I'll pack this up now, and then it's ready to go out. And there you go, guys. That's it for today. It was a little bit longer video, I believe. It felt like it took a long time to film and stuff. I'm not sure the time lapse obviously would speed it up a little bit, but that is it for the video. Again, if you guys want your order packed on camera, go ahead and place a message or put a message when you're checking out on our BrickLink store. The description will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps us out. And any questions or comments, as always, put them in the question or the comment section below. And any questions, we'll get to Brickside Chat during the weekend. Thank you all once again. We'll see you all in the next video.